What else you want to say? Hold on, let me hold it. Let me.
Dad, you want to hold it?
You want to hold it?
Yes.
You know how to hold it? I don't even know how to hold it.
You need to calm down. That attitude now.
Please, Daddy. Ew, I'm not touching your funny hand.
What? See, this is why see when I look good and I'm fresh, y'all. She's gonna be all up
Let
over
me
me.
tell you something.
What you want to tell
Your
them?
mommy, Daddy get all you cuckoo.
It feels so right, baby, that it can be wrong. Where I am weak, baby, you make me strong. I'm down for you and whatever you want to do.
Good morning, everybody. It's your girl Candace, and today is Sunday. I believe it's like the 18th. And right now, what I am about to do, I just woke up. In a sense, I've been up for like, I want to say an hour. I've been up. It's 11:05. We went to sleep really late last night. We went to sleep like past 10 o'clock. So right now what I'm doing, I just made me some coffee. I am about to wash some clothes. I'm just gonna get a couple things done before Jordan get up. He actually is sleeping. He took some PTO today because he was tired. So I'm gonna get him some tea made and then start us some breakfast and stuff. Oh, today, Operation Get the Trash Out. Let me show y'all. Y'all, this looks so bad, but it's really, it's like trash right here. But this is also like a bunch of, when I was opening up my packages and stuff like that. So that's in there. Some boxes, same thing. Just like, we just stuck trash in there too. But these are boxes. So probably break these down a little more so we can put it in a compactor. So we need to get these out today. And today, after we do that, then I think we'll go ahead and give you guys like an apartment tour, which really sucks because we wanted to do like an empty apartment tour. And then we wanted to like take you guys on the journey of us moving, but it's been so much, and being that it's just me and him trying to hurry up and get everything done in such a little time, it's like that didn't work out. So y'all see, you know, we're still gonna give y'all apartment tour. We still gonna give y'all a full furnished tour. We still gonna take y'all along the way on our journey. Oh, y'all, let me tell you what I tasted last night. So remember, and yeah, I am a mess, y'all. I just woke up. I do not care. But remember the little cakes? I don't know if I showed y'all these, but the cakes that I got from Nothing But Cake. So I had got lemon and then confetti. As you can see, the confetti is half eaten. That's because last night after I ate my meal, my plan was to tear down this cake and I was gonna have me inside ice cream and stuff. But the baby had another plan. She was like, no, ain't nothing else coming in here. So I was like trying my hardest. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this today for sure, because when I tell y'all, that thing is good. Ooh, 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 ooh. It was so good. It was so good. It was so good. I mean, y'all, he's snoring. Baby. Here, I got your tea. This is how you wake up, y'all. Don't talk about us, y'all. We got the blow up mattress. I'm about to show y'all the bed that I put up yesterday.
Yeah.
Who put the bed up, babe?
Hmm?
Ain't he ugly? Who put the bed up yesterday, babe?
We did.
We?
So, my girl put it up, yeah. She did.
Me and the baby.
I recorded it.
Oh, people are so ugly when they wake up and they do that one eye. Oh God. Who you think you look like?
It hurts so bad. I can't even open that. Like,
What's wrong with your
it
eye?
hurts so bad. I don't even know what's wrong with my eye.
Because you went outside late last night. Y'all, he went outside with the creatures.
Making an appointment.
I told him they was unforeseen creatures out there. He gonna go out there. Ow! My
Bit my foot.
That's what you get, because you could have just moved it. Y'all, he's so extra. I'm sorry, baby. What you want for breakfast? You want some grits? What you want?
I just want to heat up the plate.
That could be your lunch.
Fish and grits. I guess.
You want fish and grits?
Yeah.
You still got fish?
Yeah.
A lot? You got like one piece?
Like, yeah. No, I got like a couple pieces, like 2-3 pieces.
So that's what you gonna eat for breakfast? You want fish, grits, and eggs?
Mm-hmm. That's perfect, babe. What's that? Something?
Sunday. What are you trying to set up for? Because I woke you up.
No, I don't. No, I ain't know what it was. But
I
no.
woke you up because you wanted tea.
No, I'm messing.
No, that's not why I woke you up. No, that's not why I woke him up.
No.
I'm bored. I get so bored in here. I'm so, you know, a lot of older people. They probably.
I guess this. Wow.
My coffee got cold.
You want? Oh, and that? That looks like the ultimate warmer.
It's warm out, right?
Oh. What's up, yo? Oh, the lighting is crazy in here. I know I always keep talking about that. That's one of my favorite features. I like it.
Look. Yeah.
You want to know?
Yeah. But I was gonna show them how to do it. We make brown ice in this home. Alright, let me see
I
what
think
you.
this is where I'm gonna get my motorcycle license.
He is not,
It's-
oh, maybe you do got a lot of fish.
Uh-huh.
You got let me see how much your candy's got. Okay, we can mix them out.
Yeah.
I can mix it.
The fish together?
I ain't mixing your fish.
Oh, you're not eating fish and grits?
I'm gonna eat fish and grits.
Oh.
You think I'm gonna cook my fish with your fish?
I just want to be southern here. I want a southern living.
Oh, look y'all. So, this is the baby. I was about to tell y'all her name. Oh my God.
I think I said it like 3 times.
What, in the video?
Like throughout since we've been here. In the videos, yeah.
Oh, I believe it. I know you said it like once, for sure. But yeah, so this is her. We are 18 weeks. Hold on guys, let me make sure. Ain't that bad? We've been moving so much. I believe 18 weeks. Let me see.
I believe you're 15, 16.
We are 19 weeks.
Oh.
15, 16. Anyway, 19 weeks. We got 21 more weeks to go. She's the size of a mango.
She is the size of a mango.
But that's her body, so from head to rump, her body is just, that's what that says. But what the doctor says, she measuring like a week early. But we get to see her on the 29th. See our baby on the 29th.
This is exciting.
Baby on the 29th. And her little, so the arms and legs don't count. You know they got long arms, long legs. They look like little spiders.
Oh my God.
They do.
The
They look
spider
like little
reference.
spiders.
I don't know. Yeah. It's very exciting.
If y'all don't know about that caramel macchiato from Starbucks, I bring it right home. Look, you gotta put your milk in there,
Okay, put your milk in.
and then,
And then what? Let's see.
yeah, I'm gonna do 5 eggs, y'all.
5? Alright. What's the 1 extra egg?
It makes a big difference. You don't be eating that much egg.
Yeah, my girl does the brown eggs. I don't know. She's probably mentioned this a lot in previous videos, but we really like the brown eggs. They are healthier. They have a lot of...
Protein.
She give y'all a little glimpse. what
It
she's
is
doing.
delicious.
All right, so I want
So
to get me too.
you add
Look,
your seasoning. I like to add some Creole seasoning,
we're adding Creole.
okay? And then you gonna get you some pepper.
Creole seasoning. I see that.
Get your pepper.
Pepper.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay?
All right.
Then, now this is the part where you whisk with a fork. Usually I whisk it with a whisk, but I ain't got no whisk.
Yeah,
Did it come with a whisk?
Did it come with a whisk? Let's
No.
see. Oh, this, I don't know if y'all probably seen this knife set too. It's amazing.
I don't know. They, yeah, they seen the knife back. But this one back. They seen the
Okay.
knife set a while ago. What? Yo!
Nah.
I'm
messing.
Like, ooh. Alright, guys. Oh, what? I didn't like this. You know what I mean? Okay. So we're about to go to the trash can. Look at my baby. It's like the Hulk. Be careful.
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't got your Band-Aid on.
Nah, I took it off. I'm recovered.
Really? Oh, that cut was deep. I'm shocked. Be careful, baby.
I'm sorry, I forgot where it's
Jordan, what you about to say? Ew! Y'all, the car ride, because last night, like we said, we went to Strunk Shack. I don't even want to tell y'all that. Jordan is
when I was
nasty. When you was younger, what? Who smelled like that? Girls in school?
Yeah. Like I,
Probably because they didn't know how to take care of themselves. So Jordan was like,
6, 7 days.
he said, like, when we turned on the AC, you can smell the shrimp, like the seafood smell. He told some, ugh, smells like, what'd you say?
Gucci.
Yeah, he said,
Oh, here you go.
That
we just
word.
throw it in there?
yeah, but
We just throw it over?
yeah, back up into it. He said, oh, it smells like coochie or whatever. I said, who smell like that? Because mine definitely don't. He told us some. No, when I was younger.
Oh, no, man.
Yeah,
Nah,
them
like,
little,
I
them,
don't
no.
Go for the city.
Look at him, guys. Go ahead, get them bags out, Big Daddy. What, like a model? But on the full throttle. I don't know how to say. I don't know the stuff. Come on, Big Daddy. Look at them muscles. He wanna fuss me out, y'all. He don't like when I do stuff like this. He feel like a slave.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh my God. Really?
I didn't want to do it like that.
I can tell. All right, go ahead. You gotta get the. Ain't nothing on your
I
hands.
just didn't want to get cut.
Y'all, he's so. Look at how he walk. Them shorts is about to retire.
Okay, so now I know where the trash stuff is at. This is cool.
Y'all know. We don't look like this all the time. We got this one. He act like he couldn't get it. Here, babe. You're welcome.
Where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. LCC, let it slap with the scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a Watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. For the Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a brick. Tell them when I die, put my money in a brick.
All right, y'all, so 2 important things when you're making your fish and grits. Well, for me, you know, hold on, let me. Oh, shoot. All right, so 2 important things. You want to add your cheese. I'm trying to tell you, I used to be like cheese and grits, no. But y'all, when I tell you this is so good, so good, so good, so good. It is, like, oof. And then, you know how like you really not supposed to tell people certain things, because then they be like, you know, if you tell them, if you like, you want this in there, they'll be like, no. You know, that's Jordan. You don't tell him nothing that you putting in his food, because he'll deny everything, and it'll mess up mine. So some pepper, okay. You want to put your Old Bay seasoning. Is this my Old Bay? Yeah. So your Old Bay seasoning. Okay. And then this is what he don't know about. You add a little bit of lemon juice. Didn't know that, did you? Showed it. Give it that kick. And when I tell y'all, it may sound weird, y'all, this stuff gonna be so good. Now we do got paper bowls, but we'll just have to get some more if you want some more. Alright. So, don't talk about our paper bowls or our styrofoam bowls. Can you put that up?
Yes.
Alright. So this is how you do it. And make sure it's good. Bam! 2 snaps in a pop. Go. Pop. 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 Babe, taste it.
Okay.
It's hot.
That's good, baby. That's that Southern style grits. Y'all know about that Southern style grits.
And y'all, although it say 5 minutes grits, don't be letting your grits cook for 5 minutes. They supposed to be like, not gritty, not tasting like, you know, sand, but they supposed to be like Southern, like smooth. You know, I don't like eating people. That's why I don't eat everybody grits. Jordan, no, I don't play. I don't eat everybody grits.
She don't, yeah. Really, grits is one thing, man, but you really
You gotta take your time. Gotta let them things manifest. Manifest over your grits.
You see it, manifest over your grits?
Look at that, y'all. Look at this pan. Not sticking, nothing. I love this. Look at him. He's so nosy. Y'all seen him?
It's a good pan, baby.
Alright. Alright, see my eggs? So, I'm gonna put the eggs on top. I probably should give him a little less grits, because it's gonna be hard for him to mix this stuff up. Besides, Jordan, the type of person, he figure it out.
I'll take OJ. Thank you, baby. Ooh. Yeah, man.
How is it?
It's amazing, babe. It really is, though.
Yeah! I'm telling you.
Then we gotta fear that neighbor situation.
What? What are you talking about? Y'all, he get addicted to stuff.
There was a man looking at me from his balcony, just looking at me. Kidding.
No, he's not. Can you still see
I'm
him?
really not. Yes. I can still see me. What's up?
Okay, y'all, so we just finished breakfast and everything. So I was asking Jordan if he wanted to do, cause like, let me show y'all. I've been making these ice balls. They so cute. So I've been making ice balls. Can y'all see them? Or whatever. And what it does, I know it's like with the ice balls, like your drink stays super cold. Like when I say it's super cold, it stays super cold. So what we about to do is make some wine ice balls. So what you need is a glass of wine. So Jordan got his, what is this, barefoot? What is this?
It's Fruscato.
Fruscato. Can I taste?
Can you taste it? Huh? I would recommend the balls, babe. Not just drinking it outright.
Hey, what you think I'm gonna bite the ball?
Nah. Oh no. I said I would recommend the ball over the.
It's not bad.
No, it's
That's good.
Yeah, it is.
But it does, I ain't gonna lie, like, you can taste it.
Deliciously sweet, natural flavors, mango.
Okay, cause I don't wanna spill this everywhere and he be looking at me like, you ruined my stuff. Cause he don't play
I
with
would
it.
never do that. So no, I ain't gonna lie, I probably would. That's a possibility I would.
Alright, so I'm putting it in here, so.
It serves so many functions.
Oh, well, I may not use all of this.
Yeah, just in case, but you gonna hold this?
Put the top on it. Hold on, they can't even see it.
Okay.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping, and you ain't been the same. Like, you been on your mind. Who got your time? Who you been vibing with? And why can't you mine? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your sign. And now you treat me like my worth less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. You're the only one I want to wrap my arms sweater. I told you I am down for the
Okay.
worst.
Alright guys, so our wine balls are done being filled.
Wine balls. There you go,
Alright.
buddy.
So you just gonna put them in here,
How long do they usually have to take?
like 5 hours.
Oh my God!
It'll be time for dinner.
Nah, man.
He gonna be so
I'm excited.
No, he gets so excited over little stuff. I'm trying to
I am excited for this. We actually did it through this, so this is a multi-function cup.
And then look,
It serves
what
its
you don't
purpose.
use, we don't waste stuff in this house.
No, we do not. This is an energy saving home all the way around. It really is.
Jordan talked to people, right? He was like, our water pressure is a little low. The man told him, well, it's an energy saving equipment. So
They really need to like advertise that. I think that'll be dope though if they did do that. Like,
you know what, man? I think I just been so used to the refrigerator being so high. I think this is,
I think it is.
it's okay. You know what I mean?
Well, how big was the one at the studio? I think it was this height. It was this
I
height.
don't think it, I think it was generally this
It was
big, but
skinnier.
I think the freezer was smaller. Like our freezer is actually like, remember we didn't have a top shelf. We only had one shelf.
We just had the one shelf.
Yeah, so I think that's what it is. Like we got a bigger freezer
Yeah.
with it on. We ain't gonna keep showing y'all everything. Y'all gonna be like, when y'all see the apartment tour, that's why we're gonna put the apartment tour out first.
Yeah, yo,
And then we'll do the other thing.
I'm down. I'm ready for the apartment tour, bro. I don't know. I think Candace said she was sleeping.
What?
Well, we may take a little nap, come back. I don't know if we're going anywhere today. Did you want to go somewhere today?
Yes, I did.
Oh, where'd you want to go?
Wanna go to the store?
What store?
Walmart or Target?
No, I'm down.
You don't never wanna go to
I do want to go everywhere. I do want to.
I do wanna go everywhere.
But nah.
Or Home Goods.
What about Kirkland's?
Baby.
Hey y'all, if y'all don't use that Bear, the Downy. This is Downy, right? Y'all better use that Bear, man. Stop playing.
Oh my God.
And then in this apartment, I don't want to give you too much to the tour. I just like functionality.
You remember Blank Man?
I remember Blank Man with that bald. Whoa. Right, y'all, man.
I'm gonna watch this little bit of white clothes. Me do a pause. I'm gonna teach y'all how to wash my clothes.
All right,
Pause.
show them how to wash, bro.
Now usually I use the beads, but I went cheap this time. But
What?
either
Oh,
way,
Snuggle ain't bad.
Yeah.
Oh, all these things got bears. Downy got a bear. Snuggle got a bear.
Downy got a kid.
They changed their thing. Downy used to be a bear. Look at that, babe. It used to be a bear.
Okay, so
Did. So you just pull one?
yeah,
One could do
this
the
will be
job?
a small load.
Oh yeah, true, okay.
Now y'all, this washing machine, the only like thing it has is for our bleach. So for our fabric softener, you gotta put everything in there. I'm using,
What is that?
God.
That's the Downy, right? Downy is my favorite one, y'all, I'm telling you.
Yes, y'all, this is Sun Blossom, like Get Fit Ultra Downy.
That's 3 times, what is that? 3 times the what? The scent? Oh my God, don't get
my-
high off your own supply.
No, what if you put me in here?
Whoa.
Because it hurt.
It's weird. No, it smells amazing though. What's the 3 times, babe? 3 times the size or what?
3 times the freshness.
There we go, that's probably what it, yeah. Y'all, she knew what she was doing when she got the 3 times. I'm gonna tell you, man.
What?
No, it's cool, babe.
It smells good in here too, y'all. Like the whole laundry room smells really good.
It does, and that's the goal. Like when you walk in your laundry room, it shouldn't smell like butt and ass and all that other shit.
So this one is going to go in our room. This laundry basket. This is for dirty clothes. And then after I finish drying clothes, I'm gonna put them in here. Cause let me tell y'all, not all the time do I like folding clothes. So I can put them in here.
I realized that, babe. Before I just threw my stuff anywhere in any basket, I actually smelled that, and those smell amazing. So I was like, that must not be it. My dirty clothes, as far as yesterday.
So I mean, the dirty clothes basket is not gonna stay in here. It'll just in here because I'm doing laundry. But once I'm done putting these in here, I'm gonna take this back in our room. This will be in our room.
Cool.
This is staying in here.
Cool.
Y'all, this is gonna be the closet of the closets of the closet. So it's gonna be like storage slash appliance stuff. Cause I think, what else we got to go in here?
I see where we're going. Yeah, what's up?
Amazon. I got the,
Oh, yeah.
my little thing, right? Look at that. Look at how pretty this is, right? Let me show y'all. So anyway, it's supposed to go like this, but this is broken. The little pieces in here. So they gotta send me another one tomorrow. So.
Yo, that band is different, man. It makes me want to get an Apple Watch.
He's gonna get one. Don't worry, guys.
I got a, ooh.
Right. So, let's see. Alright. First box. Oh yeah. So this is basically, you put like all your plastic bags and stuff. And this is called Axis over-the-counter bag holder. And it is in the color Pearl Champagne. Yeah. That's gonna go in our laundry room. And then this is the oh yeah, okay. Well, come on. Right? Oh yeah. Oh, this is so big. I like it. So I got this for the bathroom. Alright, can y'all see? So, instead of having everything just especially like with your glass stuff, you do not want to mess that up. Put our deodorants in here, not 50 million deodorants. Let me see. Well, what a screechy. Alright. This is hair stuff. I may get me another one for hair products. Alright. And I got a lot more stuff that's gonna go in here once we hold on. right here on the counter. And that looks so much cleaner. Put our toothbrushes in here. Ain't that cute? So he'll be nice and full with different stuff. But for right now, that's cute. Instead of us having like a whole bunch of mess like always.
Alright, y'all, so Jordan is finally in her new spot, her new space. We're still getting everything together.
Can I hold it?
Hold on real quick. Well, you gotta say first what you're excited about.
I'm excited to have a baby sister. And look at this. This is my bed where I sleep out like this.
Okay, go ahead and show them how you sleep. That's cool.
This is how I sleep.
That's how you're gonna be sleeping in North Carolina?
Oh.
You want sleeping like that in Virginia?
Like that.
How would you sleeping in Virginia? In Virginia Beach? Yeah, she wasn't this excited.
Anybody.
She's gonna be up at 5
Not going to
tomorrow, waking everybody up. So are you excited to be in North Carolina, John?
Yeah, I'm going.
What you looking at? What you looking at?
It's like a booty.
All right, guys, she's excited.
Can I hold it?
You know what to do? Can you get us both?
Hi guys. So, welcome to my room. I know it's kind of different, but it still need more areas. And I drew little Jordan. And this is my mommy canvas. But I know how to dramatic. This is my normal daddy.
Why I gotta be that?
That's so annoying. And this is mine. I know this room is empty, but my mommy is kind of, daddy wanted to talk to them.
Oh my God! Hey, can I say
And
something?
yeah, that's one question. I'll hold it.
All right. I just wanted to say one thing. I'm excited. We're excited. Why you gotta? Oh my God! Look at my hat, y'all. It looks crazy. This is called moving.
Can
But,
I hold it now?
Wait, Jordy.
Go ahead, do your
Just wanted to get back. She's
Go ahead.
in here hooking up Jordan's bathroom. It looks very nice. Hey baby.
Hey guys, I'm a hot mess. I know, always.
We're moving. It's okay. Y'all seen me, but this is just some of the bathroom, y'all, that she's doing. We got a little bit of Jordan's room set up. Like I said, she's excited. We about to head out, man. We about to head to Walmart. One of these stores around here. We gotta get some external speakers. We didn't bring our TVs down yet, so we just wanted to set up something for Jordan. But she's excited.
Speakers, a towel.
We gotta get a towel.
Can I hold it?
What else you want to say? Hold on, let me hold it. Let me.
No, Dad, you want to hold it?
You want to hold it?
Yes.
You know how to hold it? I don't even know how to hold it.
Jordy, you need to calm down. Your attitude now.
All right,
Please,
come here.
Daddy. Ew, I'm not touching your funny hand.
What? See, this is why she. See, when I look good and I'm fresh, y'all, she's gonna be all up
Let
over
me
me.
tell you something.
What you want
Did
to
your
tell them?
mommy, daddy get all you cuckoo?
Are you trying to relate to the kids?
Hit the like button and subscribe and make sure daddy, his hands is steady.
She talks
Can
about
I-
my most insecure
Can I-
insecurities.
No, and my
You're about to
daddy
break the
is
camera.
crazy.
Chill out.
All right, y'all, we gotta
Can I
chill.
hold it?
She's wilding a
Hurry
little
up.
bit. We gotta chill. But
First of all, you didn't pick up them shoes like I told you to and put them in your closet neatly.
Okay.
So how you supposed to be doing all that other stuff and you ain't do that?
oh yeah, let me show you our closet, man. Oh my God, be careful.
Daddy, I need you to move these things in the closet. If I done putting the box on there.
Okay. Jonah, you ready to go to school down here, meet new friends?
No,
So what are you ready to do down here?
I'm ready to jump in the pool and swim around and eat some turkey leg and eat some.
Eat a turkey leg. She's already talking like she's from North Carolina already, guys. A turkey leg? Okay. All right, Jordan, where those blocks go?
And I'm going to put them and stick them.
What you want next? Oh, she was talking about dumplings? Gizzard? What, gizzard next?
I'm going to eat a little turkey.
What?
I'm going to eat a little turkey. And I'm going to, and my mouth going to do this.
Jordan, all the work you just did with the blocks just went to scrambles. What happened here?
And I'm going to eat it with hair on it.
Ham hock?
No, with hair on it.
Hair on it.
Yes, I'm going to kill it. But I can eat it.
All right, y'all. She's talking. All right. Come on. What you want to say?
Hey guys, hit the like button. You know why my dad is so dramatic. And guys, so this is my room. But my baby sister, my mommy is Planet. And I'm supposed to be a good kid. And my mommy and my daddy, this is my grandma. And my mommy, look at her. Ooh. My mom's the best. So, see, her call me baby.
Alright, y'all, so we are capping off the night.
Because he can get angry. Can I hold it, Daddy, this time?
I'm just doing a little closeout, Joan.
Please, Daddy.
We capping off the night.
Please.
Hold on, you want to get in it with me? Come on.
Hey, guys. What the mommy gave me? The Play-Doh. Ooh.
Alright, guys, that's a night activity.
Smell it.
Can y'all-
Smell like peach.
What does it smell like, y'all? Alright. John's excited. We're capping off our night, man.
Yeah,
It's been a long day.
Eat some dumplings.
Baby,
You guys, we gonna eat dumplings.
I believe Bae is cooking some dumplings.
Yeah,
I'm not mistaken.
I love dumplings.
I'm making Nana some dumplings.
I love
Y'all see these pots, y'all? These pots are fancy. My goodness.
anything you want.
Everything is just so fancy. But now, y'all, Bae's cooking some dumplings up for Jordan. Make some pasta. We're about to cap off our night, man.
That one, put the music on.
I gotta wait. We don't want to get copyrighted.
Please.
You can't have music with YouTube, Nana.
Oh, are we going to do it?
Y'all, we are tired.
We are.
Although it's a late night, we definitely about to start having Jordan on schedule once we get all moved in and stuff. Because she starts school.
Y'all ain't got cold.
So you got cold?
You alright?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
You
No, I'm straight, y'all.
Y'all, you like
Guys, look at I made a cookie.
Jordan. Shh. We're working on her inside voice for her.
We
But
are.
no, we definitely gonna get her on schedule. We just trying to get ourselves situated. We are tired as I don't know what.
We really are, man.
It's a late night.
Definitely a late night. It's an extremely late night. Nah, we've been just kind of moving around all week, y'all. So tonight we're just gonna relax, chill. Tomorrow we'll probably finish up some more things around the house, but yeah, man.
Yeah, what I made? A monster. Come on.
Jordan's making a monster. But alright, y'all. We'll holla at y'all in the morning, man. We'll probably have some more additional videos for y'all. Bae, you okay?
Yeah, I have put this thing on. I don't know what I put.
Y'all see my baby ponytail, y'all? That joint looking poppin'.
That is not no ponytail. It is a bun.
Oh. Nah. Y'all know what I meant. Y'all know what I meant. My baby looks good. It's right here. Hey,
She is.
I almost touched the aisle.
She can be like crazy, y'all. I would never let you touch me.
Yeah,
My hands are wet.
Mommy. Guys.
Y'all, look at this. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all something real quick.
Ken's about to show y'all something. She got something for the video.
Awesome. Cool, baby. Cool.
Like this.
I was gonna say cool. Joe was saying cool.
See, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. They So look, this came
We
with
love
the
you.
pants, y'all. This is so cute.
What's that, baby?
Watch this.
Oh, let me get a better view of you. Oh my, babe, you know what? That's revolutionary. I'm not gonna lie. That's babe. Now that's different. That's. Remember what I told y'all in the previous video? Simplicity. It's all about simplicity, man. Babe, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people probably gonna want to know where you got those. Those are actually like one of the like really good.
Check out our previous vlog.
Okay.
So it's like the pan is super hot. And it keeps the pan cool down. I'm gonna wipe it.
I'm gonna tell you, babe.
Jordan, what are you doing? You doing something.
She's
Let's
tired,
not
y'all.
do that. Let's be safe.
She's Jordan. Come on.
Jason, you give me that.
Yeah, let me go ahead, y'all. I gotta help out in the kitchen a little bit, you know,
No,
shoot.
you're not. You just
But alright, y'all, man, we're gonna holler at y'all in the morning.
Yes, guys, because I'm kind of tired tonight because my stomach was hurting today. That's what caused that.
Alright.
That was
Yeah, guys.
Alright, guys.
Signing out.
Alright, signing out. We're signing out.
now my way to go big.
Alright, we signing out.
Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. DT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just to wanna